Hola, amigos. Say hello to Dora. She's wearing her PJs, and she has a special Dora clock, and we need to set an alarm so she's not late for school. There's nothing on the screen. I need to plug in the clock. The clock is flashing 12 o'clock. We need to set the proper time. There's a yellow star button on the top. And there's also a yellow star, and it looks like it might light up. Here's the time button. It says time. And there's the hour and the minutes. What time is it, Dora? It's almost your bedtime. Dora goes to look at another clock in the house. The time says 7:30. So I hold the time button down and push the hour button until the hour says 7. And then we push the minute button until we get to 30. There. Now we have the right time. Dora, what time do you have to wake up to go to school? Dora gets up at 7 o'clock a.m. so she can make her lunch and have breakfast. So now we set the alarm till 7 o'clock. We hold the alarm button down and push the hour button to 7. And we don't need to change the minutes because it says 00 already, 7 o'clock. But wait, how does the clock know if it's morning or night? Oh, Dora's noticed a little AM. There's a little light that lights up on the clock when it's the morning time. So we need to set your alarm again, Dora, because it's set for 7 at night. And your alarm wouldn't go off. You might sleep in and miss school. So now we push the alarm button again. And the hour button, we have to go all the way. And there's the AM light. Do you see it? So now it's going to go off at 7 in the morning. Uh-oh, it's 7:33. We better hurry up. You still need to brush your teeth and floss. How do we put the light on? There's a button that says Dora. Oh!
Come on, let's go!
Come on, let's go!
Mama, I'm Mama.
That's really loud.
Whisper your wish.
How do we turn down the volume? There's a little volume button here. Oh, that's already low. Now, how do we turn on your night light, Dora? Maybe the sleep button? No, that just turns the radio on. Let's turn it off. Maybe we push the star button. I don't think the light works, Dora. Let's just make sure we're not missing something. Light on. There we go. Oh, let's turn off the lights, Dora, so we can see the star. Ooh, it's nice and bright. We need to check one more thing on the clock before you go to bed. We set the time for the alarm, but we didn't see if the alarm is turned on. Do you see where we can turn the alarm on? Right here, there's a switch, and it's off. Good thing we checked. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's on, Dora. Maybe we should make sure. I don't know if that says on or not. I know what we can do. We can set the alarm for 7:39 p.m. and see if the alarm goes off. Then we have to set the alarm all over again, but we want to make sure. Okay. The alarm's set for 7:39. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it doesn't scare the kitten Lala too much. If it does, go off. I wonder what sound it will be. Maybe a beep, maybe a song, or maybe Dora's voice. Hopefully it works. Uh-oh, it didn't go off. All right, we've set the alarm again for 7:40 and we move the switch all the way over to Dora.
Dora!
It worked!
Come on, let's go!
Dora, your voice
Dora, I'm Dora.
will wake you up in the morning.
Now whisper your wish.
Oh,
Dora!
okay.
Come on!
It's time to wake up. No, we just did the test, but that's how Dora sets her alarm and makes sure it works in the morning. Okay, adios amigos. Time to tuck Dora in. Good night, Dora. Or in Spanish, buenos noches. Her alarm is sitting across the room so the bright lights don't keep her up. Need a nice dark space to sleep. Buenos noches. Goodbye.